If you've ever had scattered ideas, duplicate meeting notes, or separate research notes that really belong together, this video is going to help a lot. Today I'm going to show you how to merge notes in Evernote quickly and cleanly so you can keep your workspace organized and save time. This is a super useful trick whether you're managing school notes, work projects, client research, or personal to-do lists. And if you want more simple Evernote tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step videos. Let's get into it. First, open Evernote on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version, but the steps are easiest to follow on the desktop. Once Evernote loads, go to your notes section. If you already know which notebook your notes are in, you can open that notebook instead. The goal here is just to get to the list of notes you want to combine. Now, you need to select the notes you want to merge. On Windows, hold down the Ctrl key while clicking each note. On Mac, hold down the Command key while clicking each note. This lets you select more than one note at the same time. Make sure you click only the notes you want included, because the merge will combine everything that's selected. If you accidentally miss one, just keep holding the key and click it to add it to the selection. Once your notes are selected, right-click on one of them. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, look for Merge Notes and click it. This is the command that tells Evernote to combine all of the selected notes into one new note. Depending on how many notes you selected and how much content they contain, it may take a moment for Evernote to process everything. After the merge is complete, Evernote will create a new note that contains the content from all of the notes you selected. This is really helpful because instead of jumping between multiple notes, you now have everything in one place. You can scroll through the merged note, check the order of the content, and make any edits you need. For example, you might want to clean up headings, remove duplicates, reorganize sections, or add a title that makes more sense for the combined note. Here's something important to know. Evernote moves the original notes to the trash after merging. That means they are not permanently deleted right away, so if you need to recover them later, you still can. This is a great safety feature because it gives you a backup in case you merged the wrong notes or want to restore one of them. If you're not sure whether you merged everything correctly, check the new note carefully before you empty the trash. A good tip is to rename the merged note right away so it's easy to find later. You can also use this method to clean up old notes that have become too fragmented over time. Instead of keeping 5 different notes about the same topic, merge them into one organized note and make your Evernote system much easier to manage. So to recap, open Evernote, go to your notes or notebook, select the notes with Ctrl or Command, right-click, choose Merge Notes, and then review the final combined note. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how organized your account feels. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more Evernote tips, productivity tutorials, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.